with Geometry, October, November 2024, Variant 3. Let's go into question number 9 to question number 11. So, question number 9. Find the quotient and remainder when x power of 4 plus 16 divided by x square plus 4. Okay, so we can use the long division, it's easy for me. Okay, so x power of 4 plus 16, so x square plus 4, so we can put x square, so x power of 4 plus 4x square, so you can minus, so negative 4x square plus 16, so minus 4 minus 4x square minus 16, so we'll get 32. Therefore, when your x power of 4 plus 16 divided with x square plus 4, then you will get x square minus 4 plus 32 over x square plus 4. So this will be your quotient, this will be your remainder. So you can write as it is. So the quotient is equivalent to x square minus 4 and the remainder will be 3. Okay, hence show this can be rewrite this. Okay, fine. So for the integral part, 2 to 3. Okay, so based on part A, I already rewrite. You can see here x power of 4 plus 16 divided by this, you can rewrite as this. Okay, so it's going to be x square minus 4 plus 32 over x square plus 4 dx. So integral x square is just a basic one, x cubed over 3 minus 4x plus, if you integrate this, if you still remember, integral 1 over x square plus a square dx will be 1 over a arctangent x over a. So this you can rewrite this one as x square plus 2 square, where my a is equal to 2. So it's going to be, you can take out the 32 outside, so it's going to be 1 over a is 2 arctangent x over 2. So 2 third 3, so it's going to be 2 third 3 power of 3 over 2 as my 3 minus 4, 2 third 3 plus 32 over 2 is 16 arctangent third 3 minus 2 cube over 3 minus 4 2 plus 16 arctangent 1. Okay, so when you press calculate this one, you get 0 plus 16 over 3 pi minus 16 over 3, and for arctangent this you'll get plus 16 over pi, 16 over 4 pi, sorry, pi over 4. Okay, so 16 over 3 minus 16 over 4, so we'll get 16 over 3 pi minus 16, okay, sorry, so if you minus 16 over 3 minus 16 over 4, so you get 4 over 3 pi minus 16 over 3. So you can factorize the 4 over 3, so pi minus 4. Okay, so it's shown. Okay, question number 10. So, water tank has the shape of cuboid base, 40,000 centimeter square. The time t, the depth of water is h. The water pump into the tank as 50,000 centimeter per minute, and the water is leaking out. Okay, so since there is addition and subtraction in the volume, so dV over dt is going to be, they pump in 50,000 and it go out as a 600 h. Okay, and from here I can say my V is equal to 40,000 multiplied with the h, because the volume is base area multiplied with the height. Therefore my dV over dH equal to 40,000. Okay, now you need to show dH dt. So dH over dt will be dH multiplied with dt. So the common variable for both is dV. So dH dV, dV dt. So it's going to be dH dV will be 1 over 40,000 multiplied with 50,000 minus 600 H. So you can factorize 200 outside. So 200, and it will be 200. If I factorize out, it will be 250 minus 3 H over 40,000. So will be 200. So here is going to be dH over dt will be 250 minus 3h over 200. Therefore 200 dH over dt equal to 250 minus 3h. Okay, so it's shown. Okay, for B, it is given that when t equal to 0, h equal to 50, find the time taken for the depth of water reach 80 cm. Give your answer to two significant figure. Okay, so just now we already find that 200 dH over dt, 250 minus 3h. Alright. Okay. So now we need to find the h in terms of t first, and then we need to substitute h equal to 80 to find the t. So it's going to be 1 over 250 negative 3h dh is equal to 1 over 200 dt. Okay, so negative 1 over 3 ln 250 minus 3h is equal to t over 200 plus c. Based on this, t equal to 0, h equal to 50. So negative 1 over 3 ln 250 minus 350 is equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, c equal to negative 1 over 3 ln 100. Okay. Therefore, you can rewrite negative 1 over 3 ln 250 minus 3h is equivalent to t over 200 minus 1 over 3 ln 100. So they need to find the time when h equal to 80. So when h equal to 80, it's going to be negative 1 over 3 ln 250 minus 3 times 80 equal to 3 over 200 minus 1 over 3 ln 100. So negative 1 over 3 ln, this will be 10, minus plus 1 over 3 ln 100 is equal to t over 200. So this one you can simplify, you will get 1 over 3 ln 100 divided by 10 is 10 equal to t over 200. Therefore, my t will be 200 over 3 ln 10. Therefore, my t. So the question here asks me in terms of two significant figure. So you can practice your calculator, you'll get 153 something. So it's two significant is 150. Okay. And the last question. The diagram shows the curve with this where it's m where x equal to 8. Okay, so find the value of a. So we need to differentiate. So let u equal to 2 sine x, where my u prime will be 2 cos x, and my v equal to 2 plus cos x power of half. So my v prime will be 1 over 2, 2 plus cos x negative half multiplied with negative sine x. Therefore, my v prime will be negative sine x over 2, negative 1 over 2. Sert 2 plus cos x. Okay. Therefore, my y prime will be v u prime. So 2 cos x, sert 2 plus cos x plus minus. So minus sine square x over sert 2 plus cos x. So this is my dy dx. So at the turning point, so at the maximum or minimum point, your dy dx equal to 0. Therefore, you can write 2 cos sert 2 plus cos x minus sine square x over sert 2 plus cos x equal to 0. So you multiply the whole thing with sert 2 plus cos x. So you'll get 2 cos x, 2 plus cos x minus sine square x equal to 0. So 2 times 2 will be 4. 4 cos x plus 2 cos square x minus sine square I change it into cos. Why I change it into cos? Because if you notice here is all of them is in term of cos. So it will be quadratic equation when you change it into the cos. So will be 2 cos square minus minus plus, so 3. So 3 cos square x plus 4 cos x minus 1 equivalent to 0. Therefore, my cos x will be negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. So 16 plus 4 times 3, 28. 28 over 2a. Okay, so okay, so if you convert them into, it's going to be negative negative 4 plus sert 28 divided by 6. So it's going to be 0.215, or your cos x will be divided by 6, negative 1.549. So you can reject this because it is more than 1 or more than negative 1. Therefore, here my reference angle will be 1.354. Therefore, my x, it can be either, because cos is positive, so cos positive will be first quadrant and fourth quadrant. will be 1.354 or 2 pi minus 1.354. So your x. So if you look here, actually this is your first quadrant already. Okay, 90, 270. So you can see here, this is your first quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant. So my final answer for A, my A will be 2 pi minus this, which is 4.93. Okay, you don't take the first value, it should be the fourth value, fourth quadrant. Okay, the second value. And then use the substitution u equal to 2 plus to find the exact area. So if you want to find the exact area, it's going to be 0 to pi, right? 0 to pi. So from 0 to pi and integrate this equation, it's going to be 2 sine x. Okay. 2 sine x, so 2 plus cos x dx. Okay, so we change everything into the u. So first we change the limit. When x equal to pi, my u will be 2 plus cos pi, which equal to negative 1 1. So when x equal to 0, my u equal to 2 plus cos 0, so my u is 3. Okay, and then my du over dx will be, differentiate cos, you will get negative sine x, therefore my dx will be negative du over sine x. Okay, so what else? Okay, that's it. So we can already change everything. So it's going to be, so when x equal to 0, u equal to 3. When x equal to 1, pi, u equal to 1. So make sure it's 3 to 1, not 1 to 3. Okay, and then 2 sine x multiply sert u multiply negative du over sine x. So you can cancel the sine x and sine x. Okay, so it's going to be integral 3 to 1 negative 2 sert u du. So it's going to be negative 2 u 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. 3 to 1. So negative 4 1 power of 3 over 2 over 3 minus negative 4 3 3 over 2 over 3. Okay, so it's going to be negative 4 over 3 minus, and this one will be 4 times 3 third 3, so you can cancel. Okay, so it's going to be 4 third 3. Okay, so it's going to be 4 third 3 minus 4 over 3. Okay, so since the question asks you in exact form, so make sure you give the exact form. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. If you have any questions to ask regarding October November 2024 variant 3, you can comment under the video so that I can give you any further explanation for you. Okay, thank you.